Welcome back to the VST channel. Photo editor just got an update a few days ago, guys, alongside some other updates. Doesn't really ring a bell. A lot of these things are, yeah, you know how it goes. Not a lot of changelogs that Samsung are included. Sometimes it's just the same changelog is repeating itself, but the photo editor got something that I do believe, yeah, just deserves to be talked about. So besides the reorganized layout and improved selection method for the spot color feature, they also changed the object eraser methods of selecting objects. And in fact, this is even not the key thing in the changelog, it's in the brackets, added magnetic lasso option. And I'm going to show you guys why this is so key. In fact, with using the AI generative options, I have here the Samsung S24 Ultra and S23 Ultra. So I'm going to show you a photo I shot myself while I was visiting Cyprus, a very beautiful country by the way. And I'm going to show you really how it looks like here in the old version. This here is using the photo editor, not updated. So I'm just going to click edit, guys. I'm going to go here and I'm going to show you why this tiny little feature actually can be quite huge. So I'm inside, and as you can see, beautiful scenery here. By the way, that's a real ship that is sinking. Nice photo here, but of course a tragic story. Can find it up near Paphos. So when I hit object eraser, guys, I can either select the object that I want to erase, like in this case, or let's say I can draw around. But when I draw around, the thing is, all the lines I've drawn around will just get snapped back. So it's pretty much kind of like the same thing. The phone is too clever, right? So it will really try to understand what you want to just erase. So in that case, guys, let me show you. I'm gonna hit here the ship. I'm gonna press erase. And now with the AI generative methods, well, yeah, and this is the problem that I'm talking, right? See here, guys, it's not perfect. Now, of course, you can go and one more time try to erase things, but as you can see, it's not perfect, and this kind of really takes away from the whole experience. I'm just gonna do this one more time. Go inside, right? So you have this option to just click on the object, or let's say draw around, and no matter really how big you go around, it always gets snapped back to the object. But now here, guys, let me show you. This is the S23 Ultra. Jesus, the S Pen on the S24 Ultra doesn't work on the S23 Ultra. All right, so I'm gonna click edit here, guys. I'm gonna go to the very same section and I'm gonna choose the object eraser. Now let me just show you the difference. Again, it's a very small and tiny difference, and this is something called magnetic lasso. Now without the magnetic lasso, guys, it's either like this, right? So you pretty much know what's gonna happen. And by the way, let me just try it, right? I'm just trying this one more time on my S24 and S23, and I can just say it's a disaster, right? But let me show you, this here is the key differences, because I can click here and now this will turn the magnetic lasso off, and in fact the selection lines will stay where you draw them. Now let me show you why this is key. All right, I'm just gonna do this here on the S23 Ultra, and I'm going to try to do it with my left hand on the S24 Ultra, right? So again, here we have the snap selection. I'm going to press now erase. I'm going to press erase, and you're going to see really why this little tiny feature is so big, because you can just take a portion, you can just select a bigger portion of the picture, which eventually will not snap the lines around the object that the phone thinks you want to erase, right? It's like you driving it, it's we driving it, not the phone. And then selecting a bigger area will allow the AI generative thing here to do a better job, and this really works quite nice. So the moment you just hit magnetic lasso, selection lines will snap. Right now I can even try to select the whole picture, guys. It will still select the goddamn ship, right? So on the S24 Ultra, without the update, I just cannot erase this goddamn ship in the best possible way. Without the magnetic lasso, I can just go crazy and erase what I want. And again, the bigger portion that you select helps the AI to do a better job. Okay, you can do this also here, by the way. Let me just try to do it here, so I can erase the sun here. Let me just try to do it here. So erasing the sun here, see, it's going to just select this tiny bit portion. Sometimes, like in this case, well, you think it's going to work, but no, it's not working. See, the sun is still here, right? I mean, come on, imagine this here, right? And now erase, and boom, voila, you just have a clearer picture. So this is it again, guys. It is a very small tiny feature. I do believe though, if you are into photo editing with also using aids like AI generative, then for sure this very tiny feature will turn very big for you. Thanks so much for watching. VST over, and bye.